My research involves developing IS control systems for people with severe speech and motor impairment. We are working with a school in Chennai, where we are developing IS controlled robot and other cyber-physical system to help in education and rehabilitation of children and young adults with cerebral palsy. My PhD research was about developing inclusive user model, which helps the designer to understand, measure, and visualize effect of the impairment on electronic and physical interface design. The Gates-Bridge Scholarship was not only beneficial in terms of funding my doctoral research, but it also shaped me what I am today in terms of giving me a place in Cambridge and putting me in touch with the bigger Gates-Cambridge Scholars Society. So thank you, Gates-Cambridge Trust.